Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and I hope you are a subscriber of this channel. If you have not yet subscribed FameWorld Educational Hub, so you can subscribe this channel for the different kind of programming stuff and also machine learning and data science, because a lot amount of videos are coming in this series of OpenCV also, and there are multiple machine learning related series already uploaded here. So we were working on the OpenCV programs, and I just created 14th program in the previous lecture. In the in the previous lecture, I have completed the 14th program, and in this particular video, I am going to start with 15th program. I hope you have watched the previous lectures, because all the lectures of OpenCV are interconnected. So if you are not watching it in a series, so you can get confused at any point. So here in this particular program, I am going to create such a program which will be opening a new window with the help of click event. So we will be opening a new window on click event of the same color pixel as clicked. So let's see. So I'm just importing here the numpy as np. I'm importing the cv2 here, and then I'm defining event, and this is a function which we have created. We are taking some parameters here, and let's take some parameters. After that, I'm just taking if event equal to cv2 dot L button down for the left click. Then I'm taking blue equals to img, that is the image. I will be creating it. I have not yet created it, and here I have taken this. Then I will be just taking the blue, green and red. So BGR it would be, and for that respectively I have taken this 1 and 2. Okay, after that I am taking cv2 dot circle. So we'll just click on it like in the previous program we have done. The click event we were handling with the help of circle. So circle will be drawn when we like a small circle, because we have taken the radius 3 only. It's really small, and we will be taking it a filled circle. So it will be becoming very small, and just like a dot it will be. And I'm just taking here my color image equals to np dot zeros, and here I have just created like a zeros one. As you know, in the previous program and in many other programs we have used this zeros image, so the same I am taking here. I'm just pasting this code. So for the black image we basically take it, but this time it will be holding the color which we will be clicking. So let's see. I'm just taking here my color image as a list here, and here I'm just passing the blue, green and red variables which we have created. So the value which will be coming from these particular blue, green, red variable, that will be getting stored in the my color image. Now I'm taking cv2 dot imshow, and here in this imshow I'm just taking the name as color. The color will be the name of the frame, actually the frame which will be created, and here I'm just passing the value of the my color image variable. So the image we have not yet created, that's why it's giving error, and I have done one mistake here. Let me just improve it. This is the mistake. Now it's fine. Okay, so here I'm just creating the image now. So image, whichever color pixel we need, accordingly it will be coming. So here I'm just taking, first of all I've just taken the black image also. I'll be just commenting it afterwards. Here I'm writing black image, and then for the colored image I will be taking the lena.jpg. So here I'm taking img equals to imread cv2.imread, and we will be reading the lena.jpg. So lena.jpg we have taken here, and then we will be just making it imshow. So here I'm taking cv2.imshow, and here I'll be taking the name of the frame image. Now you can just notice on the line number 11 and the line number 16, the name of the frame and the variable which is getting exposed is different. Okay, they are not same. So two different frames will be created according to the click event which we will be making. Don't worry, I will be explaining it once again as we'll just complete the program, and then we'll run it and I will explain it. So this click event we have called here. Now cv2 dot destroy all windows. Basically we need the wait key 0 also, so cv2 dot wait key 0 for the image. Now this much we have done, and our program is complete, and let's run it. First of all, I'm just commenting out the colored image. Okay, so when I have commented the colored image, so it will be just opening the black image, and according to the black image, now there is some error. So there is error. Let's check that what's the error here. Here the error is coming in this, and so, okay, it's like np dot zeros, and here we have taken, yeah, that is fine. Let's run and check that what was the error. It's coming integer object not callable, perhaps you missed a comma. So cv2 dot circle, in the cv2 dot circle it is giving the error, and it's about like 3, this 3, after this 3 we have not given the comma, the radius. Okay, that's why it was coming. So now there is no error, and as it is a blank frame, so as I will be clicking here, you can see one more frame is getting created. Now here you can see the name of this particular frame is image. Okay, the original frame is coming as image, and the frame which is getting created on the click event, that is color. So they are two different frames. Now I'm just clicking on it once again. You can see again the black frame is created because same color pixel image is getting created. Now I'm just commenting out this black image, and I'm just opening this colored image, and now let's run this program. So for the colored image, whatever color pixel we will be clicking on, that particular color pixel frame will be opened. Here you can see according to the color, as I am making the changes in the click, so as I am clicking on different colors, you can see according to that the colors are coming on the color frame. So the image frame is the actual frame on which we are making click events, and that is just capturing the click events, and whatever color I am clicking, according to that the color frame is changing, like the color of the color frame is getting changed, because that is the connected frame, that is the new frame. And actually it's not changing, it's opening again and again. Okay, so it's opening again and again on the same place. So here you can see this way it is working. So I hope you liked this video, and just tell me in the comment section that how was it, and please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and there will be actually a lot of videos coming in this series also, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because it is going to be a lot of stuff related to data science and machine learning. So see you in the next video.